Everyone, it's Richard here with a really neat little thing I learned how to do today. So I was trying to do my grades and I'm getting things ready, and I've come into a problem that I've had for a long time. I have a big class, 60, 40 odd students, and they do team projects. And I have their names, I have their teams. But when I grade them, I give them their team scores. So what I want to do is figure out a way so that I can put the people with their team and they automatically get the team grade. All right. So it's like this. So Andrew is in Belgium, and Belgium scored 86. So I want to make it so that it's 86. Now I could go through and find Belgium, Belgium, Belgium and give them all 86, or I can have a simple formula to do that. And this is the simple formula. And I'm going to explain it a little bit how it works. So what this is BYROW. It's a new function that's only come out in the last couple of years for Excel and also Google Sheets. And BYROW will search each row looking for certain things. And I'm telling them I want them to search for the team names. And then there's something called a LAMBDA. Now, LAMBDA is a cheat code, if you will. That means you can adjust the functions to do whatever you want, and it can break the rules. And so I'm going to do bx if bx equals. So b is unknown, the team. If it matches, team scores, A. So what this is saying, the team scores is the name of this sheet down here. So if you copy and paste this, make sure that your sheets have the right name. And the reason I'm not doing VLOOKUP is because VLOOKUP means it would only look to the things to the left, not to the right. That's one of the problems with VLOOKUP. XLOOKUP does either way. So you need to make team scores, column A. So it's going to look for the column A's. So anytime it sees Costa Rica, it will give the team scores that can be found in B, which is here. All right. So it's going to search everywhere. It says Spain, because Spain is B, and it will give it a 90. And so this is just a simple little formula. I'll copy and paste it into the comments below, or in the whatever you call it, the information, and you can use it. Make sure that if you're going to adjust it, make sure that the team scores, you need to change the name team scores on your sheets, unless you want to keep it as team scores and make it easier for yourself. Make sure that the score is make sure whatever you're looking for is here. So this is B2. You can just click on this and it'll show you that's the B2. The team scores AA. Team scores AA is here. And then it will give you the team scores from B, which is here, column B. All right, so I hope this is a neat little thing, and I hope it helps you guys a lot. I spent all afternoon working with different people on Reddit, so thank you to everyone, if you see this, who helped me learn how to do this. It was a big help, and you can use it in Excel, you can use it in Google Sheet, and it's just an easy thing. Have a great holiday. Bye.